What are we talking about?
Yeah. So I'm gonna get a little chop, right?
And then what?
And then you're gonna see it in the video. Just watch, stay tuned. I can't sell out everything.
Yes, guys. Family line, part 11.
Party level.
Part 11.
Back at it again.
Today we're doing something special. We collect food from all the neighbors. All the neighbors. Everybody.
We're doing a kind of like a potluck.
And we're just gonna reheat food. All you go see.
So no cooking in this video today.
No cooking in this video. We're just hotting food, right?
We heating, reheating,
Reheating.
and we eating.
All you go see the kind of line up tonight. Yes, guys. So this is all the food, fresh food we got today.
Yeah. So just explain and tell them what is what.
We ain't gonna say what is what. They will see it when we hot it back.
Alright.
We're gonna work some magic with all this food, right? Or they will see how it goes.
There we go.
I'm gonna make fresh crab and dumpling today. Look how much she give me. I didn't eat it.
Yeah, that's sizzle. Now you talking about how
That was talking about.
everything in the pot. Dumpling, crab.
I'll wash all these.
Add a little
extra sauce.
Add a little water to make that sauce.
Fresh crab and dumpling. We ain't cooking today. We ain't cooking today. We have too much of food.
We just reheating and eating. Smell real good. Right guys, so check it out.
Fresh crab and dumpling. Mommy give me this. I didn't eat it today because I buy food. But I it for my family. How if I mommy crab and dumpling looking? Kevin?
It's looking better than my one I make it, eh?
How they find? You see? You see where I get the bar dumpling from?
Look at it, look at it. The only thing is this don't have a pumpkin. I know it. I know venison.
Yeah. All natural seasoning.
Crab looking lovely. Look at it. Taking a little sizzle and that smoke. Watch that bubble. Right. So this is a behind the scenes joke, right? That man on the behind the scenes here make some mobby. It's real watery.
Yes.
But I had to fix it, don't worry. It tastes good now.
You have much food, you add real pepper to it and stretch it. Right?
The more pepper, the less they eat.
See? Ah, nice pepper there. That is it. This crab and dumpling good.
That flip was good. I get that. I get that too.
This done.
Plating time.
Where's the garnish?
The garnish is the pepper.
That is it.
Time for the big taste test. So you're gonna be taste test. Trini, tell me how this crab and dumpling is. A nice dumpling.
Actually, just dumpling with my finger.
Yep. Strictly finger today.
Right, that's it.
I'm gonna be hot in food today. Check it out. This crab and dumpling is made by this woman here. The boss. How do you do this, Cindy? Better than we Western crab?
Better.
For the dumpling. I'm sure I'll eat the dumpling. I eat the dumpling like a taco. You fold it. You fold it. Yes guys, so Kevin gonna give us some nice pulori and some nice sauce. Mango sauce. Typical what everybody does normally, mango sauce with pulori. But we don't do that, we don't do that.
We go down in the handset, we go down do something different. Take it in.
Take it in. Everybody got a pulori.
We have a pulori.
You understand?
Hey, look how soft.
Nice pulori, check out the pulori, check out the pulori. You understand? It's pulori and what, Kevin?
And crab sauce.
And crab sauce.
Soak it up.
Pulori and crab sauce.
You sand it in the hot pepper.
Oh, you need to try this. It's the best thing ever. You put it in the pepper?
Yeah, not pepper.
Well, dip it in this nice pepper here.
Well, why we just cook for? Well, let us people bring food for you.
Hey, this is so good. This could be the next big hit for you.
Crab sauce pulori.
Crab sauce and pulori.
You know chutney, you know. And with onion sauce, you know.
Nah, well. We do it. We get all these people on them, you see? To try. Check it out. Tell me what I say something again. Better than mango sauce. Tamarind sauce. You know, this is so good. You know what I said? Real good.
How the peppers?
Don't make it look like a very looking delicious snack.
Alright guys, you know how we just do it? We have to go and get Mama some food. There we go.
Mama, get up. Come, we have some food for you there. You have to taste it, right? My mother cooked that crab dumpling. Taste that beside the dumpling now.
You're watching it like you don't know how to start to eat it.
Taste that beside the dumpling. Tell me what you think, Mama.
You want me to spoon there?
Tell me what you think. Tell me what you think. This is that dumpling now. Helen cooked that. This is real good? Enjoy your food. We're going back and drink some rum.
Hey guys.
Yes, guys. So I tell you today, everything reheat. My daughter made this cheese paste today. Some of the best cheese paste I ever taste. That's her here. Good job, Vinaya. All them kids want cheese paste and bread. Kevin, what are you doing?
Well, you fixing them up here?
I don't know.
Vinaya, where you putting that cheese paste?
Tell them what you're putting in.
Mustard, mayonnaise, great cheese, great garlic, butter, and that's it.
That is it. That is it. That you like coconut and cheese paste.
This is gourmet cheese paste.
Gourmet cheese paste.
Take it in, take it in.
What is gourmet?
Looking awesome.
Right. Hey Vinaya, take a bite.
Take a bite, take a bite, take a bite, take a bite, Vinaya. Let me see. How this in? Come here, Dan. Let's see how Vinaya cheese paste tastes. Better than the mommy one? See? Hey, Dan, what do you think? 10? And where your mommy cheese paste rated? 9?
Well done, mommy. Well done. Anybody else want?
Mommy? Yes, guys. So right now, I realize cheese paste is the hit. Everybody take a cheese paste. Everybody took a cheese paste. Hey, Kevin, cheese paste is the hit right now, you know.
We ain't plan to cook today because everything here finishes.
Alright, we have about 4 more meals to go. We'll see how it goes.
You want one?
Nah. Hey guys, so
We're the best like that,
reheat part 2. Reheat part 2. This one doesn't care like a stove. Good. Very nice.
Right.
Let me see what we hotting up next. My cousin bought some John's barbecue.
Big up, John's.
Big up John's from San Agustin, some best barbecue.
It's looking very good.
Looking real good. We go see how it is.
Fresh barbecue today, but we just eating it up.
Every single thing is fresh today. Every single. We just have too much of food. We can't cook nothing. Show that boy.
Ready? Is the pot in heat?
Those are let's try it. Let's try it. The pot will eventually heat. Gotta go that sauce out, you know. Check it out. John's barbecue. Real best. Yeah, boy. Go ahead. Drop a little sauce in this.
Let's stretch this sauce.
Check it out. Real bad. Yes, guys. Time to sexy up the barbecue. Show Kevin. Nice it. Show more. What are we talking about? What are we talking about? Check it out. Now we talking about. I tell you boy to not be flavor now. No. Oh, God.
Give me some meat, give me some meat.
Flambe, flambe.
Now we talking about. Now we talking about white oak barbecue. We're changing up all these reheat food. White oak barbecue chicken.
John's, people gonna love this white oak. Try play next video.
And that's a wrap. Yes, check it out. White oak flavor barbecue chicken. What do you think? Just a little piece. Real best. Everybody, come on. Add white oak. Add white oak to barbecue chicken. Trust me, you won't regret it. White oak and everything.
Why would you say somebody pull out? We just soak up the sauce.
Nice, it's real good. It isn't good? Yeah. Yes, guys, so my sister. Another box of food my sister sent for me. some more grilled chicken, some garlic potatoes, and today I made some grilled salmon. We're gonna try this to make this restaurant style. Where's it, Sam?
Sounds like a feast.
Sound like a plan. I'm gonna do this. Let me put a little bit of avocado oil.
Avocado oil.
Yeah, a little bit of avocado oil. Nah, nobody's gonna try this recipe. Just me. A bit of avocado oil. We dumping everything there nice. How we looking? How we looking?
Fantastic.
Fantastic. I'm gonna break up the salmon so everybody will get a little piece. Nice. A little bit of onion powder. We're spicing this thing up. A little bit of paprika. A little bit of garlic powder. A little bit of salt. Oh my business on it. This is gonna be awesome.
Any vetsin?
Yes, sir. No vetsin. No vetsin in this. A little bit of cream. You must have the cream. That is the main thing, the cream.
This rice?
Check it out, honey. Check it out. A little bit of Parmesan cheese. I tell you, after this, all you could, after this, all you could put this in pasta. You understand? I'm gonna raise my heat a little bit. Raise heat a little bit, very nice. Check it out, garlic potatoes, grilled chicken and salmon. Right, and then the 12, a little bit of fresh parsley. Well, not fresh parsley. I tell you, we gourmet in here, you know. Check it out. How you looking, Sam?
Like a bootlegger's dish. Only remember bootleggers? Only remember when you listen around we until all them go in class and
Check it out.
and go bootleggers to meet all their boyfriend on a Saturday.
Check it out.
Like nobody in her bootleggers is way.
Beautiful. And that's a wrap. It look good?
It's smelling good.
Oh, nice.
Yes, guys, check it out. Modified garlic potatoes, grilled chicken, and grilled salmon. Check it out. Will I eat that? Check it out. I think I will. Guys, time for the taste test. Check it out. Modified dish. Yeah, guys, taste it and see what's going on. Salmon, migawa potato. Alright. This is best. Perfect. Trust me, check it out again. Andy, what do you think about this?
Delicious.
This is delicious? That's what we're talking about. Imagine you have a better delicious face than Kevin.
Modify this KFC, right?
What you gonna do?
You have a little chicken inside there. Yeah, that's it. Yeah. So I'm gonna get a little chop, right?
And then what?
And then you can see it in the video. Just watch. Stay tuned. I can't sell out everything.
He gonna follow one of my mother's old recipe. We ain't gonna say it yet. We ain't gonna expose that yet, Kevin.
Hey, I always just big up Auntie Helen in the videos.
We
She is one of my biggest persons who ever teach me to cook, right?
ain't gonna expose it
Auntie
yet.
Helen teach me to cook.
By the way, people, this is KFC. I bought for my kids and them today. Everything we bought fresh. Everything we bought fresh. Where's the Kevin cut up?
I have a leg.
A nice
A nice
leg.
leg on the inside.
Kevin gonna modify this KFC by 100.
Right.
Looking awesome.
So, a little oil to start the dish.
Let me see what Kevin gonna do with this KFC.
Nothing more, just a little oil.
A little oil and what else?
To coat the pan. Make sure the pan properly coated. And I have a little seasoned mixture here. Some onions, some garlic, some pimento. There we go. Just a little. Listen to that.
Oh, you ever seen this before? Everything in Trinidad with this is our first time. Kevin?
Smell that. Smell all them onions smelling in.
Smelling like onion. Well good.
Right. And now we add this. Some curry. Well, did you ever see this kind of thing?
You understand?
Curry KFC.
Curry KFC only. Curry KFC.
What's up?
Everybody, after this video, go down and start to make curry KFC. Good. Good.
Start out the onion. Let's go. Right.
We just keep watching this curry.
Let's keep watching the curry. Make sure it's burned properly. Have the correct consistency.
Find this curry sound better than all the other dishes already prepared with.
Yeah, guys. So this is the fish head tomatoes tree. Check out the tomatoes in them. Check it out. Come into this one. We just need one little tomatoes for this. No more picket. Check it out. Beautiful.
Red like P&M.
Take a look at the inside of these tomatoes.
Wow,
You see the
that
tomatoes
is beautiful.
right inside. Check it out. Only with fish head. Hey, Kevin?
Yeah, fish
Only
head.
with fish head.
Oh, you need to try that, eh?
Check that tomatoes out. Yeah, perfect. It's perfect.
Right. And last but not least, we add the chicken.
Time to add the KFC. Yeah, we need one more thing.
We need a pepper.
So we need to go and get a fresh, nice pepper. Pick it later, here. Check it out. Nice scorpion pepper. Then we add this to the pot.
We are in this. You know, none of the Trini live videos will be complete without a hot pepper.
Yep. Freshly picked from the garden.
We will be leaving the seeds.
Check it out. Pepper, curry, KFC. Looking awesome. Woo, that pepper's going real hot, Kevin. Woo. And everybody finishing touches. Time to plate. We have one portion of fries, Kevin.
Right. And last but not least, our curry KFC.
Curry KFC. Looking awesome.
You don't leave nothing in the pan. You take out every single bit.
Check it out. Well, we're going to do the taste test now. What are we going to do? Yes, guys, and this is the end of Trinidad video dish. Family edition, part 11. Curry KFC, fries,
And a little biscuit.
and a little biscuit.
What are you gonna do?
Let me show what it is. We're going to give a little honest opinion.
I'm sorry.
Everybody,
Again.
everybody grab a piece. Grab a piece.
Really hot boy.
Papa, we want some?
Tasty.
KFC one on this.
It's a real.
KFC.
Collaboration.
KFC. Collaborate with curry. Trust me. Nah, best. Check it out. Yes, guys.
Scorpion?
Yes, guys.
I don't know if it's a scorpion.
Until next time.